8 Asian elephants here at the Fort Worth Zoo. He was born here 8 years ago in August. He is currently 8 years old, like I said, and he weighs 6,090 pounds.
Wow.
The Asian elephants are first born at between 150 and 350 pounds. Full-grown males, like Bowie, will get 12,000 pounds.
Could be dying.
Let's try this again. So this is Bowie. He's 8 years old. He was born here in August, 8 years ago. He currently weighs 690 pounds. Full grown, the males, just like Bowie here, will get between 10 to 12,000 pounds, and the females are generally between 7 to 9,000 pounds. We have 4 males and 4 females now. Our youngest one is a little over 6 months old. When Brazos was born, he's in the river habitat with his mom, his aunt, and his grandmother. He was 255 pounds, and right now he's 160 pounds.
Wow.
He's gaining between 50 to 20 pounds a week, give or take a little bit here and there. Each of our elephants here at the Fort Worth Zoo has between 30 to 40 different cues, verbal cues, and physical cues.
Come here.
Let's try this one. Someone asked the question, how long do they nurse? It's generally between 3 to 4 years, give or take some. The males will generally nurse a little less due to their tusks. The Asian elephant males will have visible tusks, and the females generally won't have tusks. That's one easy way to tell them apart. Another way is just their size in general.
Come here, buddy.
Like I was saying a minute ago, we have 8 Asian elephants here. 4 females, 4 males that range in age from 6 months old all the way to 50 years old. We also have some 3 generations of elephants as well. Elephants should live to be about the mid-40s. With that being said, our oldest one is 50 years old. She's in really good health, and the oldest Asian elephant in North America is 7 years old. Each of our elephants eats between 150 to 200 pounds of food each every day. Most of that's hay, but they also get fruits and vegetables, a specialized grain, and they'll also get browse. What's browse? It's pieces of tree branches or trees we cut down around the property, as well as bamboo they get. This is called the down behavior, and we use that every morning during our bath routine. Just to make sure he's got no scrapes, cuts, or bruises, or anything we need to have our vet staff look at. All of our training is based on positive reinforcement. What I mean by that, if they want to participate, they can. They know there's food involved when they do the correct behavior, and if they don't, they can easily walk away. The gate's open, so if he doesn't want to be in here, he doesn't have to be. Elephants have 4 teeth. They'll get 6 sets throughout their lifetime, 2 teeth on the top of their mouth, 2 teeth on the bottom. And they come in like a little, as they come in, they're pushed out like a conveyor belt. Everyone will come in. Sometimes you get a chunk of a tooth or a whole tooth that pops out of the top. This a lot of training is husbandry based. We want to make sure our elephants are nice and healthy. So we do all these different stretches or yoga poses. Just make sure they stay nice and limber. And it also helps us get different views. We see the bottom of their feet, their nails, the top of their head, and the bottom of their bellies. If anyone has any questions, just let me know. The question was how they trumpet. Sometimes they'll do it, they'll squeeze their nose or their trunk, and some noises will come out, and they also rumble in their mouth as well. And someone was asked, I heard, what are they eating? Right now, Bowie's eating what we call a primate biscuit. It looks like a peanut, but it's not. It has a citrus flavor, and they respond really well to it during training sessions. We started when they're really young. We started Brazos when he's about 2 months old, and he started taking solid pieces of food. And we just use small behaviors A short session, small behaviors. We ask him to pick up his feet. He's touching the target just like Bowie does. And when he touches it, he hears the click from the clicker and he gets a piece of food.
Good boy.
Alright, you guys, we're going to get Bowie back in the habitat. If you have any more questions, I'll stick around for a few minutes. But if not, thanks for coming out today. We greatly appreciate it.
He knows where the food is.